walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
I just received my package. I'm so excited. Hey love, so as you guys can see by the title below, I'm going to show you guys some really quick and easy snacks for Halloween, just in case you guys want to have a little party or if you guys having a sleepover. My kids are definitely having a sleepover, and these are some really quick and easy snacks that I always do for them and their friends when their friends come over, things like that. So as you guys can see, I did get my box from Colonel Seasonings. I'm obsessed with their seasoning. You guys know I have been working with them for over 2 years now. I think my children actually did a video for them last year, I believe, and they did like all the Halloween treats and they actually decorated them and stuff like that. So you guys want to see that video, I will have the link down below. But you guys, I'm obsessed with Colonel Seasonings only because you don't have to use their items specifically just for popcorn. And that's what I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be making chicken. I'm going to be making garlic bread, spicy jalapeno garlic bread. I'm going to be making a spicy jalapeno barbecue grilled slider burgers. Also, I'm going to be making some spicy wings, so you guys will see that. I'm gonna make some birthday cake confetti popcorn, some caramel popcorn. You guys will see as we go along with this video. Before I get started, I'm going to show you guys all the items that was sent out to me. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you guys are their new tasty shakers. They look just like this. I use these all the time with my oatmeal. I'm so glad they actually sent out more. So this is what it's called, Vanilla Bean. This is my favorite one, if you guys wanted to know. Just like this. And then this one right here is actually the Tasty Shakes, but it's apple and cinnamon. And sorry you guys, that's the noise for my wings. It's about to go in the oven and I'm gonna put them on the broiler, but like I said, you guys will see this is apple and cinnamon. This is one of my faves. And then this one right here is actually maple and brown sugar. I absolutely love that one as well. And then as far as the seasoning, I have the birthday cake flavored popcorn seasoning, which is how I'm going to make my, which I call it my birthday cake confetti popcorn. It's just like popcorn I make, and then I put white chocolate confetti, and then I sprinkle the birthday cake. Is one of my family faves. And then this is our favorite as well. I'm actually so glad they sent me on another one because we ran out of the other one. This is the cheesy jalapeno one. This is my favorite, you guys. I do this with so many items like bacon wrapped jalapenos stuffed with cheese, or you can do like the jalapenos cut in half with cream cheese and add like cilantro and green onion and season it with this. Is so bomb. And then this one right here, you guys, is the drizzle brittle caramel popcorn topping. It's like a really thick caramel, you guys, or caramel, however you guys say it. But you guys, you can use this on everything. How I normally make this, which is one of my favorite snacks, I'll get green apple slices, drizzle it on top with the caramel drizzle, and I will put granola on top. It's so good, it's so bomb. So I'm gonna put this on top of the popcorn, but you guys, I'm telling you, you add it on top of the apple slices with the caramel with the granola, is bomb. And then I also have the buffalo wing. This is what I'm going to be using when I season my chicken wings. Also, when I take them out, when I put the sauce on it, because I want to make a spicy, like a sweet honey spicy type of flavor type of wings, which usually I call it like honey buffalo barbecue wings. You guys will see. Love that. And then also I just have butter. Of course, this is the OG. Yeah, but I will have all the information linked down below in the description, you guys, if you guys want to go purchase them. They also have like bundle deals. You can buy them separately, or you can buy them all together. I myself would prefer getting all of these. You guys can see which flavors you like, test them out, which ones you don't like, and then you can go back and buy them individually. But I think the better deal is to get them all. So I will show you guys everything that I'm going to be doing. So I already added in my Louisiana hot sauce because I wanted to boil a little bit. And then now I'm adding in my second spoonful of garlic. And then I add in 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar because I'm making like a sweet and spicy type of buffalo wing. And so now I add in a half a stick of butter. Next I add in my honey. I don't measure anything, you guys. I just eyeball it. I've been cooking for so long, so I just eyeball it. So I put about that much honey. And then I have the buffalo wing seasoning. Like I said, you guys, just because it say it's for popcorn, you can use this in anything. And it's spicy, you guys, so it doesn't take much. About that much, because I'm actually going to put this on my wings when I season them as well. And then that's pretty much it for the sauce. And all you have to do is let this simmer on top of your stove for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you just let it sit up. As the sauce sits, it's gonna get a little thick, which is good because you want the sauce to stick to the hot wings. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks. I'm just gonna let this butter melt. I'm just showing you guys how I include the Colonel seasonings in my recipes when I cook. Like I said, once again, you don't just have to use it on popcorn. You can use it pretty much with anything, you know, to each its own. It's for your own liking. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes and let it just sit up and wait until the wings are done. Now how I'm going to do the wings, I'm going to season them regularly like I always season my wings, and then I'm gonna add the buffalo wing popcorn season on it as well. I'm gonna put them in the oven. Usually I would fry them in oil, but today I'm gonna bake them. And then I'm going to take them out when they're almost done and toss them in this sauce and put them back in the oven, wrap in some foil under the broiler so it can stick. And I want it kind of, I just want it well done, crispy on top. So that is it. That is how I make my sauce using my buffalo wing Colonel seasoning. Next up we have the chicken. I'm gonna start with the seasoned salt. I only put a little bit of seasoned salt, and then I use garlic pepper. I use a little bit more garlic pepper. And then of course the buffalo wing seasoning. A little goes a long way, you guys. And then I'm just gonna flip them over and do the other side. I always add my buffalo wing seasoning at the end, just so it's more on top of the chicken, as you guys can see. I just love this buffalo wing seasoning on the hot wings. It gives it a really good flavor. Now usually when I bake my chicken, if I'm baking chicken, I will do like onions and peppers and jalapenos with the lemons and stuff, but because these are going to be like hot wings, I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to put these in the oven just like this. I'm going to let them cook, and then once they're like I want them, I will put the sauce on it, but you guys will see. So next up is one of my favorites, which is the slider burgers. You guys, these are amazing. I recommend each and every one of you guys who are watching this video to make these and snap me and let me know how good they came out, because these are bomb. So I have ground chicken. Usually I use ground chicken or ground turkey, but today I wanted to do ground chicken. You guys know I don't eat beef anymore, so yeah. So we're gonna do ground chicken and we're gonna season them, and I'm actually gonna add barbecue sauce to them after I fry them on the stove. I'm gonna put them in the oven for a little bit with the barbecue sauce on it, and then I'm gonna add grilled onions and cheese and pickles, and that's the only thing that comes on the little slider burgers. Now to each his own, you can feel free to add lettuce, tomatoes, and stuff like that, but this way just tastes so much better because you're able to taste all the flavors. I usually just take the meat and put it in like a little salsa like this. This will probably make 4 to 6 sliders because you don't want them too thick. We actually like ours kind of thin, so I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning them. Now, the first thing that I use this time around for the spicy jalapeno slider burgers is the cheesy jalapeno seasoning. And a little goes a long way. Now, if you like it spicy, by all means, go for it. And then I always add in my Montreal steak seasoning. You guys, it smells so good. That jalapeno cheese smells amazing. And then I use the hamburger one. I put a little more of the hamburger seasoning on it. And then I go in with Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm just gonna mix this all together and make the slider burgers. And then last, garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these and I'll show you guys how they look. Slider burgers look. Once I made them up, I just added more of the hamburger seasoning and also the cheesy jalapeno seasoning on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cook these and I'll show you guys what they look like after I put the barbecue sauce on them and make the burgers up. I just took the wings out the oven and I just drizzled the sauce on top. I'm just gonna let these bake in here. As you guys can see, that's the sauce. I'm about to put these back in the oven. I'm gonna close it in a little bit like so. And then after this has cooked a little bit like that, I'm gonna take the foil off and put it on the broiler. This is one of my family's favorite things to eat as a snack. They could literally just eat these plus wings and call it a day. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I make it. It's really, really easy, very, very simple. I actually got this from Walmart for like $2. So first I add the butter because I like the butter taste on it. And like I said, a little goes a long way. And then you add the garlic parmesan, which is so bomb, so good. So you put as much garlic parmesan seasoning as you like. And then next, the cheesy jalapeno. I just think this is a really, really good combination. It's really, really good. You guys should definitely try it. I'm just gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes and that's pretty much it. I'm going to melt the white chocolate and drizzle it over the popcorn and put the confetti on it, but you guys will see. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm about to pop it in the oven. What I do is I just drizzle some of the white chocolate over it and then I'm just gonna toss it together. And then I'm gonna add the confetti and the birthday cake seasoning. I don't usually put a lot of white chocolate because I like to stir it up so it can get on all the popcorn. And then I'll go in and add more white chocolate as I go. You don't want to overpower it with the white chocolate because you're going to have confetti and birthday cake seasoning. So for the sake of the video, I'll add more of the the white chocolate after the video. But you guys get the drill, what I'm saying. And then I'm just gonna add some sprinkles, which I call confetti. Like so. And then I add the birthday cake seasoning. And it's so bomb, you guys. Definitely try this. And that's pretty much all for this video. This is how the slider burgers came out, you guys. It has barbecue sauce, grilled onions, pickles, and mustard. So good, you guys definitely have to try this. And then here are the wings, so freaking bomb, and the spicy garlic bread along with the popcorn, you guys. As you guys can see, the kids have already been eating out of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely do not forget to go check out colonelseasonings.com. I will have all the information linked down below and across the screen. Thank you guys so much, Colonel Seasoning, for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. And like I said, if you guys do decide to make any of these recipes, definitely don't forget to snap me or send me a DM on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm about to smash. I love you guys so much.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.